another level. I've been in my bag and I keep getting better. I'm getting richer, that ass getting thicker. My diamonds, they keep getting wetter. Fuck, I look like going back and forth with a little bitch that is not on my level. I do not give a fuck, tell a bitch try her luck, she'll get folded like a pretzel.
Hey y'all, it's Jarmise, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do these distress locks over regular locks. So first you're going to start off by putting a little jam on the roots. Now be sure to ask the person, do they mind you putting gel, because some people don't like for you to put different products and you don't want to put anything on their hair that's not supposed to be on there. But the jam will just give you a cleaner look. Now I'm just going to go in and kind of fix the parts and retwist the roots a little bit just to make it nice and flat. And you're going to see me doing these across all of the locks. So I'm just going in and putting the jam and smoothing it out and making sure the roots are just a little bit more put together. You know, I like my soft locks to have a really sleek look. But like I said, if the person does not want you to put the jam on their edges, well, on their roots, then it will still look good without it. So next I'm going to go with my crochet needle, and you're going to follow the rules as if you were doing some regular soft locks. So you just go in, crochet the lock into the hair, and I'm going to put the end, clamp it, and pull it through. Alright, so during this next part, you're literally going to do it just like you would do a regular soft lock. You're just going to go in and wrap the hair around the root a couple of times, and then you're just going to follow suit down the braid. Now, I am making these distressed, so I do want it to look a little messy. I wanted to mimic her real locks. So just watch what I'm doing. I'm also going to put it on top of do the method where I put it on top of my nail and then pull it out. That gives it a kind of messy look. I kept this in real time so you can really see what I'm doing. I'm really taking my time and making sure that the lock really isn't showing through. It can show through a little, but you don't want it like peeking through a lot, because it really isn't the same color or sheen as the new lock that you have crocheted in. So you just really want it to blend with the new lock, okay? So like I said, I'm doing the method where I'm putting it on top of my nail and wrapping it back around to give it a little messy look. But it's like a messy clean look, if you know what I'm saying, because they would definitely get messier over time. I also do the same method at the bottom where I pull out a small strand of hair, and after I finish wrapping it, I wrap that strand of hair around the bottom of the lock just so the hair won't start bunching up at the bottom, because I really don't like that. It's kind of inevitable to happen, but it gives you a longer time to keep your locks up. As you see, I'm wrapping it around the end over there. Okay, so in the next clip, I'm going to be doing the same thing, just in I'm going to fast forward it, and then once I finish with this one, I'm going to be showing you a trick that I found. So stay tuned. So as you see, her lock partings are really small, way smaller than what I would part some regular soft locks for, with the stress locks. So a little trick that I found are putting two together. So all I'm doing is just like combining the roots, and I don't think this is gonna affect her regular locks when she take these down. Like, they're not gonna be up long enough to actually lock together, so she should have no problem with them. So I'm just gonna put some jam on the roots, and I'm gonna kind of twist them together, and I'm just gonna take my crochet needle and put it through both parts, and then pull the new lock through there. And this was just combine both of them together. And after, I'm just going to continue to wrap the hair around it, just like I did the other ones. The only thing is, you're going to need more hair to wrap it. So instead of using one full piece, I used 1.5 pieces, and you're going to see when I add in the second piece at the bottom. So it's the exact same. You're going to have the new lock, the two locks that are coming out of her head, and the piece of hair in one hand, and you're going to be wrapping all of that together with the long Freetress water wave hair. I will also recommend that you get the spring twist hair for these. It just makes it a lot more realistic looking, I think. So the next time I try them, I'm definitely going to be using the spring twist hair. But these turned out great. I have no regrets.
Somebody want us to believe that you somebody to see.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look that I achieved. If you like this, please make sure you like this video and comment below if you have any questions. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love y'all. Bye.